for Kweku Smoke. I know you people are trying to make it look like Kweku Smoke. Oh, Kweku Smoke, the street, they love Kweku Smoke. But mind you, it's not in the street that they listen to songs. Or it's not only what the street is listening to that we use for Artist of the Year. I don't think Kweku Smoke has to be in Artist of the Year category. Like Charlie, yeah, he has done show, but Bosu, which hit song? Which hit song? And the hit song, no, please. Make sure it's a hit song. Remember, relatively hit song behind family defending on who if you come to defend this thing. Don't come and give me any relatively hit song. Because if we take songs like Lomo Lomo, and we take songs like Aseda, and we take songs like Defe Defe, and we take songs like Dejire Jane, which song of Kweku Smoke the 2024 match that level of hit? None of it.
Yeah. Hey, Ghana entertainment industry made for. Yeah. Tilly. And some now catch Kweku Smoke, no. It wasn't right. Very disrespectful. And unti ebeya Brabontain never pack Kweku Smoke at you. It wasn't right. What you say? One kasaye. Enyom. Nyese ebia eye pop lanko na chese musician ne born home modern there be. Ubetima ye good works. But unya popularity. And not just a juma na waye no, it doesn't deserve an accolade. Mama yen shifted from that mediocre way of thinking. Eye below belt. How can you say Kweku Smoke anya juma? Mame, asem na wokan no wabodua Brabontin bedane. Enkasa sa abiem. Tilly, me also okokọ radio ni so. Enu ti e kame say radio for na adwene ni bi se bi e routim enti okasa no. But okra okasa ni so no. Now no or platform or online I will build it. Enu ti you see Kweku Smoke as a bait and answer there and becoming mentias. I think say now all pay attention. I yes say there be a kind that Kweku Smoke want no. Oh pim no not just say oh the attraction no. Unyankopon do no attraction kakra. But at the end of the day, no my dear, you have to do the needful. Brabontin never pack Kweku Smoke kacho. Kachen say bra Kweku enra de man kasaye fami bone cheme. Man nyem nhwehwe mu ye. Na ono so no ya bia o ni mu no emfiri ni mu. Kweku Smoke a omu nominate ne ka Artist of the Year ho no. Busa omo ni mi nyina me bo Ghana Music Awards team no me bo ma baso say no this time no match say no enye enyoma aye popular nko na omo ye den omo award me defo adwuma Kweku Smoke eye no adwuma Kweku Smoke eye no enye dedo on say Ghana no ye mpe research ana ye one sided. And ye movie by the bandwagon ye movie on say dodo na e ko hentino and ye nyina ye nko hoy Brakaku unia ba no oba ne den fa ne bone che no wan kasa ye fa che no but ewiase nyina di dance ye adwuma awaye me this year omo crown as Artist of the Year enye me wanwa wa obekasa etia Kweku Smoke nomination we bia no medofo on qualify kwase o kan entertainment asem e o Ghana. Because unim be about music. Also kwatenase. Kweku Smoke. Adwuma na oye no. Me say ye the Artist of the Year mana enye me wanwa. Kwaku enye hwe. Ni nyina eka agro ne ho. On de me kire no. Nyame okwan a ofa so di hira obia. Me hu say no video ni bai no obekasai which is very good. Kwaku eno me hu say obetro bebre. Atro ne eye. But enrich the masses. Eba say na mama manimre so camera because no yempenifo se be a chichira aboa no ehwa ne sane no so so camera na ma yente wanu masem mensuro bibia wo na waye adwuma no ana wo protect adwuma waye I think say ade anya ache so anu nti now no de ebi a wo so camera no kra be too aggressive anu nti no de kakra me pesa me kan say Tilly wherever you find yourself ye video for Brabontin nebe pack Kweku Smoke achew ne ka che ne say wan kasaye se bi wan ye onhwehwe mu ye very good say obeye sade no kasa de eto na bia betima hu bibi na wa ba Bontin abeka but echire no mehu say no asem na wokan no ukoda dwene ho no se bi ankoye eno no oba Bontin ebeka sorry kire nipa na medofo ense hwe eno kran so boa ema se bi obi ahu say uye Nipaa and from so on who me from obia ye nominate no as artist of the year this year biano me therefore no cry me catch on ye o deserve it ubetimi our favorite me so metima our favorite me no ka say na nipa dodo na e ka say Kim Paluta ebetima wini dodo na e ka say Kim Promise ebetima wini enra ye nka bia hyemi wo say Stonebwoy so de adwuma wa ye bebre aba Stonebwoy de na adwuma wa ye ne bae no enra nipa bebre adwuna sa adane say hey Sani yenim say Kim Paluta na popular yenim say Kim Promise na popular but adwuma Stonebwoy so ye no asabe shaky scene no obia ye nominate ni bia no kre wo me say omunyina obia deserve it obia ye nominate ni bia no o deserve it because Ghana Music Awards scheme na down no me dofo omo so no adwuma no mo ye o omo reputation den ehia omo and over the years no ya bashi omu sa no ntino they have learned their lessons but Kweku smoke and you may be na enye popular to you enye popular on ebia physical radio stations are made of now no you're moving from even that age and until till it for line na okay cannot tete na radio nkwane ye did tell me bibi sa till sa no man twamo no be our online platform na be keka sansem we no eyawo made of ebia no wan sa channel we biem and until mesra say subscribe to the Bonah Show now on be part of this bigger family biem nso no say o ko Ghana na udru Ghana obeko Kumase na udru Kumase obepa ba bia da Mr. Pcash properties obema ba bi papa da 100% security biem nso say wa America na opese o ship onioma from America to Ghana anidim Fre Box Oak Logistics omadwuma ne say ombeba ofie abe box onioma opese odi tu kwan nyina oma fa free fie no mo dia akọ Ghana asomdwe mama ufiri ma ka kire said the Bonah Show ane ma wote omonka emprempre na ombechaw 10% discount onyankopon shaw na antena nim kire I'm out.
Looking for the perfect home away from home? Stay with Pcash Properties in Akua Made, Kumasi. Luxurious, fully furnished spaces designed for your comfort. Book now, Ghana, +2 332 45 356 907 UK, +4 479 4606 0393. Visit www.pcashproperties.com. Your dreams stay awaits. Don't wait. Book today. Looking for the perfect home away from home? Stay with Pcash Properties in Akua Made, Kumasi. Luxurious, fully furnished spaces designed for your comfort. Book now, Ghana, +2 332 45 356 907 UK, +4 479 4606 0393. Visit www.pcashproperties.com. Your dreams stay awaits. Don't wait. Book today.